kids, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Dear kids, today we will learn about salah. Dear kids, the word salah is used for prayer in the Quran, which means pray and mercy. Which means pray and mercy. And namaz is the second pillar of Islam. Which pillar? Second pillar of Islam. Dear students, you know how many prayers are obligated during a day? 5 prayers. There are 5 prayers. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Dear students, what is namaz? Namaz is the worship of Allah. Dear kids, you know that Allah is blessed with prayers. Namaz is the only way to communicate with Allah. Namaz has been made compulsory for Muslim 5 times daily. 5 times daily. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, the key to heaven is namaz. The key to heaven is namaz. Dear kids, do you know come across any hadith about prayers? Read aloud. As-salatu imaduddin. Namazi satune. Next hadith. As-salatu miftahul jannah. Namaz jannat ki kunji hai. Prayer is the key to heaven. Hadith